Hi YouTube. Today we're going to be looking at a poncho. This is the mil-spec poncho, and this is a digital ACU camo. Now this I've had for a couple of weeks now. I took it with me camping over the weekend, and it rained pretty hard, so I used it quite a few times in a few different situations, which I'll show you during the video. But I've been looking around for a poncho for some time. I couldn't get hold of a good quality military one at a reasonable price. So this is a military spec. It's a German company that makes these things, and they come in different styles, different patterns. It's the same cut, same shape, but this fleck turn patterns, all different types of camo patterns, whichever you choose. Now the weight of these things is about 680 grams, and the width when it's fully extended is about 55 by 82 inches. So what I like about this particular poncho is that it can be used as a tarp as well. It has a series of studs down each side which closes in the poncho when you're wearing it, but you can also extend it out and connect one or more additional ponchos to it to make a larger tarp. I did use it as a tarp over the weekend and it worked very well. The material is 100% ripped up nylon with a polyurethane back coating. I'm not sure how long that coating would last, but for the price, I think these are about $35 in Canada. Even if you got, I'd say 3-4 years out of this, then I'd be happy with that for sure. It can also be used as a sleeping bag if you get the liner with it as well. You can actually attach it into a tube formation, which I haven't done, and you can use it as a sleeping bag, apparently. Okay, so let's go and take a look at me wearing this. Catch. This really is July. Well, that was a quick setup. Weather is pretty bad. So I just want to show you a little bit closer how these snaps work on the side. More than one poncho can be tied together to make a larger shelter in order to make a tent for maybe one or more people. I feel the snaps are of a good quality, and overall the quality of the poncho is very good. Inside is coated with a polyurethane. This should prove waterproof for some time. There's also a draw cord for the waist. Well, I hope you liked the review. I certainly had a lot of fun making it, despite the weather. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, leave me a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.